Isaiah 55 verses 12 to 13. For you shall go out with joy and be led out with peace. The mountains and the hills shall break forth into singing before you, and all the trees of the field shall clap their hands. Instead of the thorn shall come up the cypress tree, and instead of the briar shall come up the myrtle tree, and it shall be to the Lord for a name, for an everlasting sign that shall not be cut off. That is the promise that we are leaving with you today. Isaiah 55 rounds up with a declaration that you are coming out of whatever situation. You are coming out with joy and you are coming out with peace. And even if no one around you claps or gives you an applause, guess what? The mountains and the hills, they shall break forth into singing before you, and the trees of the field shall clap their hands. So let's receive this abundant life and move with the assurance that God is with us, and every single plan of His is to prosper us and not to harm us.